Shillong Khasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum has strongly condemned the brutal burying alive of Moris Marngar by his relatives in the village of Nong Disau in West Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, the 7th of October 2020. This is an act of great evil which has debased and degraded the conscience of the whole Khasi community. The SKJCLF exhorted the members of the whole Khasi Panar community not to fall into superstition which leads to the taking of a human life, and at the same time to avoid taking the law into their own hands. The SKJCLF also urged the Khasi community to shun acts against humanity and human existence. The body of the 90-year-old man who was buried alive allegedly by his relatives in Meghalaya's West Khasi Hills district over the suspicion that he practiced witchcraft was exhumed and sent for post-mortem, police said. 8 people have so far been arrested in connection with the killing of Moris Marngar. The body, with hands and legs tied and face covered, was exhumed from a 5 feet deep pit in the Meghalaya Maunar village by the state police. Marngar's children had reported to the village authorities about him going missing a day after he was forcibly taken away from his house at Meghalaya by his relatives. The matter was reported to the police, and the 3 main accused, Denial, Jailus and Differwell, all of whom are his nephews, were arrested. Few days later, another 5 relatives of the deceased were arrested by the police. Meghalaya Maunar Village Council had condemned the gruesome murder.